Hello, Niona.
Hello, Nancy.
How do you think of Sanwood Chambers?
I really appreciate working with Sanwood Chambers. So France Vibration is working with Sanwood for more than 1 year right now. And they are making great chambers, but also we are able to improve a lot of things together. So we change a lot of components. We adapt to the new refrigerant rules in Europe.
Yeah.
So now we are able to deliver in Europe chambers that are completely compliant with the rules in Europe.
Yeah.
So that's something really great, and I really appreciate with Sanwood company because all of you are always do your best to increase everything. So I hope that we will be able to continue to work together for a long time.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your support. Let's
Thank you.
see more chances in the future.
Hope so. Thank you.
Thank you.